In the last period, I explained general equation of this sphere is x square y square z square 2ux vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. This always represent a sphere where uv, wd are constants. Now, I explained how to prove that it represents a sphere. That is the first derivation. You can expect that in the examination. Question is like this. Prove that the equation represents a sphere and find the center and radius of that sphere. What is the center? Minus u minus v minus w. Radius is square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. That is the radius. And also I solved some problems on this. Now, next is diameter form. Diameter form. What do you mean by diameter form? Suppose this is a sphere. This is the sphere. And one end of that is extremities of one diameter is given. Suppose A is x1, y1, z1 and B is x2, y2, z2. That means ends of one diameter are given. Ends of a diameter are given. You have to find out the equation of this sphere. For that we take P, x, y, z is any arbitrary point on this sphere and join this AP, PB and this will be a right angle. APB is a right angle and right angle triangle and right angled at this P. Right angled at P. Now we use this to find the equation of this sphere. What is given here? Ends of one diameter are given. Two ends of a diameter are given. AB is a diameter passing through the center. A is x1, y1, z1, B is x2, y2, z2. We have to find out equation for this sphere. And we take arbitrary point x, y, z on the sphere, join AP and PB, then this right angle triangle it is right angled at P. Therefore, what is the condition for two lines to be perpendicular? We use that one and we will get the equation. First we consider direction cosines of PA are proportional to x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. This you know. What are the direction cosines of a line joining two points? They are proportional to x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. They are not actual direction cosines. They are proportional to this. And direction cosines of PB are proportional to x minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2. Since AP and PB are perpendicular, we know the condition for perpendicular of the two lines. It is x minus, if two lines are perpendicular, L1, L2, M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is 0. This is the condition for two lines whose direction cosines are L1, L2, M1, M2, N1, N2. L1, M1, N1, L2, M2 are the direction cosines of a line. Condition for the lines to be perpendicular is this. Therefore, we have x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 is equal to 0. Now, this is the equation for the sphere. See here, one more thing is when two ends of a diameter are given, you can, using midpoint formula, you can find out this midpoint. That becomes the central. And radius is diameter by 2. Again, you have to apply the central form. X minus alpha whole square, y minus beta whole square, z minus gamma whole square is equal to r square. But here, you need not find out the center and radius. You can directly apply this formula. And this is called diameter form. This is the diameter form. Sometimes problem may be asked on this diameter form. Say problem is find the equation of the sphere described on the join of the points A 2 minus 3 4 B minus 5 6 minus 7 minus 5 6 minus 7. Find the equation of the sphere described on the join of the points A 2 minus 3 4 B minus 5 6 minus 7 as a diameter. This is the problem. Now how do you apply the formula? This is the formula. Take this as x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 and apply this formula. Problem is a direct application. So I apply like this. Equation is from diameter form. Equation is x minus 2 into x plus 5 plus y plus 3 into y minus 6 plus z minus 4 into z plus 7 is equal to 0. How do you apply the formula? X minus x1 into x minus x2 minus of minus plus 5 y minus y1 y plus 3 because minus 3 is there y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus 4 into z plus 7 is equal to 0. Now simplify this, you will get x square y square z square. I take square term first plus 3x minus 5 plus 5 minus 2 minus 3y plus 3z plus constant term minus 10 minus 18 minus 28 minus 28 minus 56 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere. See here we have applied directly the diameter form, and using diameter form we have obtained equation of the sphere, and it is the standard form. What do you observe here? X square y square z square coefficient is 1 and there is no product term xy yz zx term is not there. So we have obtained equation of the sphere by directly applying diameter form. And one more problem, you can note this. Find the equation of the sphere described on the join of the points A 2 minus 3 1 B 1 minus 2 minus 1 as diameter. Find the equation of the sphere described on the join of A 2 minus 3 1 B 1 minus 2 minus 1 as diameter. I leave this as exercise, diameter form. Next is the sphere passing through 4 points. 4 points. This is important. We find out the equation of the sphere passing through 4 points. Since it involves u, v, w, d, 4 constants, if 4 conditions, that is passing through the 4 points, are given, we can write the equation of the sphere. I explain by taking example. First we assume that equation of the sphere is x square y square z square 2ux 2vy 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Then using that 4 points lies on the sphere, we will get 4 equations in u, v, w and d. 4 equations, linear equations, and we have to solve that linear equation. That is the problem here. I explain by taking example. Find the equation of the sphere. Find the equation of the sphere passing through 4 points. 4 points. First is 4 minus 1 2, 0 minus 2 3, 1 minus 5 minus 1 and 2 0 1. 2 0 1. Find the equation of the sphere passing through 4 points. 4 minus 1 2, 0 minus 2 3, 1 minus 5 minus 1, 2 0 1. So I explain the procedure. Required equation B, x square plus y square plus z square 2ux, 2vy, 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Take this as 1. What you have to find out here? U, V, W, D we have to find out. For that, since that 4 minus 1, 2 lies on sphere that we have taken as 1, substitute x4, y minus 1, z2 in the equation. What do you get? 16 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8u minus 2v plus 4w plus d is equal to 0. Therefore, 8u minus 2v, 4w plus d plus 21 is equal to 0. This is 2. We get this type of 4 equations, u, v, w, d. Equation name u, v, w and d. I think you followed how this is obtained. Substituting 4 minus 1, 2 in the equation x4, y minus 1, z2, we get this equation. Similarly, substitute 0 minus 2, 3 in 1, we get 0, 4 plus 9 plus 0u minus 4v plus 6w, 6 minus 4v plus 6w plus d is equal to 0. So minus 4v plus 6w plus d plus 13 is equal to 0. This is 3. This is quite straightforward. You have to substitute only x0, y minus 2, z is 3 here throughout. Wherever there is x, substitute 0, y minus 2, here y is there, minus 2, z is 3, and you will get equation in u, v, w, d. Similarly, substitute 1 minus 5 minus 1, you will get 1 plus 25 plus 1 plus 2u minus 10v minus 2w plus d is equal to 0, or 2u minus 10v minus 2w plus d plus 27 is equal to 0. This is 4. This is 4. And next is substitute 201. Substitute 201. We will get 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4u 0v plus 2w plus d is equal to 0. So we get 4u plus 2w plus d plus 5 is equal to 0. This is 5. So we have 4 equations in u, v, w and d. What are that 4 equations? First equation is 2u or is it what is the first equation? 8u minus 2v plus 4w plus d plus 21 is 0. You verify this. This is 1. What is the? This is 2, because 1 is we have taken given that general equation as 1. This is 2. What is that? 8u minus 2v plus 4w plus d plus 21. What is 3? 3 is minus 4v plus 6w plus d plus 13. What is 4? 2u minus 10v minus 2w plus d plus 27. What is 5u? 5u, 4u plus 2w plus d plus 5 is equal to 0. Now from 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have to find out u, v, w, d. For that I use one common method. You can use different technique here. We use elimination method here. First to eliminate d from 2, 3, 4, 5, because d coefficient is 1 in all the equation. It is easy. Then we will get 3 equations in u, v, w, d. u, v, w. Again from 3 equations we have to eliminate w. Then we will get 2 equations in u and v. And you have to solve that 2 equations u and v. You will get u, v. By back substitution you will get w and d. So what I do is I eliminate d. For that take 2 minus 3 first. what does 2 minus 3 gives? Equation 2 minus 3 gives 2 minus 3 8u plus 2v minus 2w plus 8 is equal to 0. Correct? 8u 2v minus 2w plus 8 is 0. Take this as 6. Take 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 gives 3 minus 4 minus 2u plus 6v plus 8w. 3 minus 4 minus 14 is equal to 0. This is 7. Minus 2u plus 6v plus 8w minus 14. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 gives 4 minus 5. Again minus 2u minus 4 minus 5 minus 10v minus 4w 4 minus 5 minus 4w plus 22 is equal to 0. Am I correct? Plus 22 is 0. These are three equations in UVW. Three equations we have obtained. 6, 7, 8, three equations. Again we eliminate W now. How do you eliminate W? We consider equation 6 into 4 plus 7. We have to eliminate W now. What is 6 into 4? 32u plus 8v minus 8w plus 32 is 0 and minus 2u plus 6v plus 8w minus 14 is 0. Eliminate w now. Adding cancels. 30u plus 14v plus what is this? 18 is it? 18 is equal to 0. 30u 14v plus 18 is 0. I take this as 9. Next take eliminates w from these two. This is the common procedure. How do you eliminate w from these two? Equation 7 plus 2 into equation 8. What is equation 7? Minus 2u 6v plus 8w minus 14 is 0. Minus 4u minus 20v minus 8w plus 44 is equal to 0. Adding these two cancels. We get minus 6u minus 14v plus 30 is equal to 0. Minus 6u minus 14v plus 30 is equal to 0. Now see these two equations 9 and 10. 9 and 10 are equations in two variables u and v. So you have to solve for u and v. For that we can eliminate v here. Elimination method here. We eliminate v. Consider 9 plus 10. Next step is we have two equations in u and v, two variables. We eliminate. For that take 9 plus 10. We get 24u. This 14v cancels. 24u plus 48 is equal to 0. So what is u? Minus 2. U is minus 2. Now how do you find out v? You can use any one of this equation. I use 9. From 9, 14v is minus 30u plus 18. So 60 plus 18. What is this? Because minus 2u. Correct? 78. So what is v? Is it correct? Verify this. 14v is minus 30u plus 18. Minus 30 into plus 18. Or is it minus 18? Yes. Minus 30u minus 18. Correct? So 60 minus 18. What is 60 minus 18? Am I correct here? 60 minus 18. Is it 42? 42. V is 3 therefore. V is 3. Back substitution. V is 3, U minus 2. How do you obtain W? You can use any one of the equation. What are they? 2, 3, 4, or you can use what are the equation? UVW 6, 7, 8. You can use 6, 7, 8. From 6, 2W is 8U plus 2V plus 8. You refer this 6. So 8U minus 16, 2V 6 plus 8. So minus 2, W is minus 1. Am I correct? Yes, W is minus 1. Now how to find out D? 3 equations involving D, or 4 equations. What are they? 2, 3, 4, 5. So I use 5. From 5, D is equal to minus 4U minus 2W minus 5. So it is plus 5. D. Substitute. From 5, D is this. So we have obtained U, V, W and D. One standard problem it is. Equation of this sphere passing through 4 points. Substituting in 1, we get equation of this sphere is x square, y square, z square plus 2ux. What is u? Minus 2. Minus 4x, 2vy. What is v? V is 3, 6y plus 2wz minus 2z plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Am I correct? Equation of this sphere is therefore minus 4x plus 6y minus 2z plus 5 is 0. This is a standard problem, and I will give some problem as exercise. Okay.